Hey guys, welcome back to another Tech Time with Mr. Nguyen. Today we are going to be getting on the platform on the internet so that way you can learn how to do Python coding. So the platform that we're going to be using, or the website, is called repl.it. The link is in the description, so you can go ahead and click on the link in the description. Otherwise, you can type in repl.it and go to repl.it. When you get there, you're going to see the screen like this. Okay. If you already have a Google account, all you need to do is click login, and then it's going to take you to this screen right here. Now you don't want to type in a username and a password right here, but what you're going to do is you're going to click on the Google icon right here. Okay. Once you click on that, go ahead and sign in with your Google account, and you should be able to see this when you log in with your Google account. Okay. Now there are a lot of things right here. To the left hand right here, it's just basically menus for you to navigate the different sections of repl.it. But what's really important is the create new REPL icon right up here on the top right. Now yours might look a little bit different, but it's going to be somewhere on the top. So go ahead and click on that, and then you're going to be able to see the languages that are available. Now what I want to do is I want to do Python. So if you don't see Python right here, you can type in Python, and what we want to do is we want to get the regular Python, which is this one. Python 2.7 is an old version of Python, so we want to pick the latest. Okay, so click on Python and then go ahead and give it a name, testing file, and then go ahead and click on create REPL, and it's loading, and there you have it. Alright, so we got a couple of things going on right here. On the left hand side right here, this is basically your file management, so you can add other Python files to add on to this project that you're working on to right here, but most of the time we're going to ignore this for now, so we can shrink this to get more working space. And then this white area right here, this is your coding area, so you are going to be writing code in here. And remember, code is basically just instructions for the computer. Okay, so once you write your code or instructions right here, you press the run button right here, and it's going to output or display the instruction of your code onto this black area right here called the console. Okay, that's pretty much it. That's what REPL is, and in the next video I want to show you guys how to do some basic input and output. That's all for today on Tech Time with Mr. Nguyen. I'll catch you guys next time. See you later.